right click on the trade that's open, and it should say trail and stop.
Okay.
You see it?
Hold on. Nah. I can go. You mean go through Trading View?
Yeah, go. No. Who is your broker?
Oh, I have Hugo's Way now.
You on okay, so go to MetaTrader 4 on your laptop, the Hugo's Way version. Right click on the trade, or did you put it on your laptop?
No, I didn't put it on my laptop. I'm putting
Listen, put it on your laptop because there's things you can do on your laptop that you can't do on your phone.
Okay.
Like I know I can't close a partial trade on my phone or do a trail and stop on my phone, but I can do it from the app on my computer.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if y'all knew that.
Well, on Hugo's Way.
Wait, say that again?
On Hugo's Way you're talking about.
Yeah. That's why I said Hugo's Way is pretty dope. You can close partial position too.
Yeah.
All right. So I got to see how to download this joint.
Yeah, just go on Hugo's Way and then go to that MetaTrader 4 and they'll give you the download file and just download it and then log into your account.
Okay.
Justin, what's good?
What's going on, everybody?
Good.
Right. You had that vibe from that doc. Remember that dude on The Simpsons? Hi, everybody. I ain't saying you sounded like him, but you had that energy. Hi.
That's the Euro AUD energy that I caught. You know what I'm saying? Feeling good about that.
Yeah. I wouldn't roasting you, man. That was love.
No, it's all love.
You pumped me up, man. You pumped me up, man.
It's all good, bro.
Yeah, you bring some more energy, man. So I like that. All right. Yeah, I was just telling. Go ahead. Who just entered?
Me.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
You know what's messed up, man? I should have knew that's how you say your name because I lived in PR and I had to speak Spanish too. So I just didn't know if that was like your nickname or what.
Nah.
You know what I mean? Some people like I like, you know what I'm saying? I probably should have asked.
Yeah, I got you.
But it's like it was like duh, no way. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I think too hard. Yeah, okay. So now that y'all I can finish. Anyway, is everybody doing good?
Yep. I caught I didn't catch the full move on EA yesterday, but I caught 26 pips before I went to sleep. I just decided to close it.
Nasty. Let's go.
Yeah, man. They came down, didn't it?
Yeah.
Shit. I'm still opening it. I'm still betting. I put the trail in stop, but I'm still betting that with all this stuff, man. Like I'm definitely expecting retrace, you know.
And then UJ came back down for me too.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. It's
yeah,
I've been holding. It's what, let me check.
Yeah.
12 pips in drawdown now instead of 60.
Oh yeah, and if they close like this, hold on, let me new share, and then we'll go back over. I'll go over that trade. So don't let me forget. I gotta go over Euro GBP.
All right. Yeah.
So I got this drawn up too. If they show momentum down like this, I'm gonna hop in right here. I actually drew it up for here, and then they shot up here. This is the 4 hour, right? Yeah, from last week. Yeah, so because I was actually expecting them to play this retrace, and then they kept going up. So I just didn't bother. However, you still got this. If they show, if they close with more momentum, let me see what's on the week. So it's kind of balancing out a little bit. Yeah, I will see. You know what I'm saying? I will see how they work here. don't hold on so much that they still go up, and then you be back at square one.
Yeah.
I'm not singling you out. I'm just saying, like, just if you ever find yourself in a situation like that, it's easy to be like, oh shit, man, what if they do this? Just go crazy. Not saying that you physically do that, but that's how your thoughts can go.
Yeah.
Just think logically and watch the price action. And if it looked bad, just make a decision. Well, I ain't gonna say bad or good. I don't want to say. Make a decision, and if it looks like it's not in your favor, then reset. That's
All right.
all. Yeah, just that's how you do it. On any one of your trades, because sometimes what'll happen, you'll get all caught up in the moment, and then close, and then it come down, and you not only miss money, you missed your move. You know what I'm saying? So it's like double whammy. So hold on, let me see. Let me go back to this other trade. What Benji? Did Benji join? Yeah.
What's good, bro?
How you feeling, man? Man, I forgot I left my phone when you called me, man.
Right, you good?
Yeah, I was like, dang. And when I saw it was late. I had went to the gym.
It's all good, Brody.
All right, so what was I on? Euro GBP. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this real quick. So this area right here for Bitcoin. It's that wasn't in relation to whether I like it or not. I was just talking shit. This is a strong tipping point, right? This is when they did the initial break. I'm just showing y'all. I don't know. Did I mention this yesterday when I said this? I mentioned this yesterday, right? And said they may push back up, right?
I think so.
Yeah, because I asked y'all if y'all traded or whatever. Well, anyway, this is a strong area right here. This price, right at the 30,000 price, it seems to be the new low, the 30,000s. Well, let me say that the 30,000s, like just not 31,000, but like the 30,000 bracket. So, yeah, man, they came here just in case y'all want to look at it and try to trade it. They came here. They were like, this was a beautiful range right here. You see this? I had called this morning with some of the, like I said, on my Facebook, where I kind of do some stuff, and it was here, and it was here, and here, and I drew it, and it came right to structure, and they played. So it was like cool evidence, to see it play out. And keep in mind, this is like 2,000 pips right here. See that?
Yeah.
So you can scalp something out of that. Like you'll only be in drawdown to here because the spread is like 70 something, 80 something dollars. So like 80 pips, right? So all of that is profit. Just FYI.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, anyway, what I was saying about this, they may do, let me see, what's the weekly? Yeah, what I was saying about this, they may do the retrace on this one. So, and it's at the bottom of a weekly structure. So even though these wicks are showing this, I still have to account for this. It's a strong area, part of our zone. The wicks make it look like they're gonna break, but just in case, And considering the daily retrace, let me zone in again. I mean, zoom in, not zone in. Zoom in. I set a trailing stop just in case they try to, because you got that's a lot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that was a 4-hour retrace, I think. This the daily retrace, and you don't know if they gonna continue back up because it is at the bottom of the zone. I mean, structure. You get what I'm saying? So it's like you can play this. I was saying you can pretty much, if it lines up, you know what I'm saying, you can play. Let me use green. You can play this or this, if however it line up. And they may like say this may look like this on the hourly. It may do all this on the hourly, and then come back down on the hourly, which on the daily that may turn into this. You see what I'm saying? So then you'll have more confirmation, and then you could re-enter the trade here if you decide to get out and keep following momentum. See what I'm saying?
Yep.
Because this is what it could look like on the daily would be like on the hourly would be a bunch of these coming back here. Let me delete this shit. Would be a bunch of these coming back here and then coming back here. And they may start leaving wicks showing which way they're going. You get what I'm saying? And then on the daily, it'll look like, and on the daily, it'll turn into this because they went up and then came back down and closed. Even if it's green, red, whatever, it'll still show they came up, rejected, and came back down. So we can still keep a bias of it coming down here. Right?
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Like if you want to hold it and chance that they are going to do that and come back down, fine. But if you want to get out, once you see, not now, but once you got an idea of where it's going to go, if you want to get out, let it ride the retrace or play it and then get back in, that's what I would do. That way you can cut down getting caught up in retrace, because that retrace will be your pips being retraced too. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It ain't just like, oh, it's retraced, your pips are going down. So, and you don't know if they're gonna take that motherfucker back up. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Any questions?
Nope.
Any concerns?
No.
Anything?
None right now.
Then you got the Jappy doing this. I'm still betting on this too.
Yeah. That's been ranging all day.
It's like they playing, man. It's like, what are they doing?
Like it's been in the 10 pip range like the past 24 hours. Crazy.
Can y'all hear the music?
Nope.
No.
Oh, just in case, I do not own the rights to this music. I don't want them to cut it.
That's crazy, right?
No, because they do that.
Yeah.
Like me listening to it gonna like get me millions of dollars or something. But whatever, we'll respect whatever. So, what's on y'all mind, man? Talk to me.
Man, just all day I was just, paying attention to the Euro pairs like we discussed last night. And for the most part, we pretty much called everything that was gonna happen. Even when we was like, yeah, UJ is gonna or EJ is gonna still range, and it did. Like, so I just been kind of paying attention to that. I only traded EA today. I woke up and Euro GBP. I don't know the nickname for that. That was like down almost like 0.75%. I was like, damn, I missed that one. So I just I caught EA in the morning.
You didn't put the pending order in?
No, I didn't put it in. I actually forgot. And then when I woke up this morning,
it was too late.
It was too late. And I caught a retrace this morning. And then this afternoon I caught the second movement on the way down. So I was like,
yeah, that's dope. Yeah, they've been moving. Like normally, I get it though, because the last times when we would talk about something happening, it would happen, but it would be like it wouldn't be like literally that night. These things been clearing like that night.
yeah, I remember it usually, well, a few weeks ago, it would take, a few days. Now it's like you wake up in the morning and profit.
Yeah, or you missed it because you didn't put it. Yeah, I know that happened to me too. I did that with the USD pairs.
Yeah.
When they were jumping for a minute, I'm like, yeah, this might jump. This look good. And then I came back and they had like 170 something pip impulse. I was like, dang. Not only that though, I've been getting caught up in the other stuff too. It's outside the currency. So
Right. And we don't really got much news this week either.
nope. Next week though, they got some CAD got some news. Like it's a few things going on next week. AUD have news. Pretty much everybody but GBP. So I wouldn't be surprised if the Euro pairs move. That's probably why they moving like that, to prep for whatever gonna happen next week.
Right. That would
make like, huh?
I said that would make sense for sure.
Yeah, because you got Euro. Euro got news Thursday and Friday.
Oh yeah.
Then you got Euro, because we in Euro AUD trade. We waiting on the Euro Jappy. Euro CAD even looking decent. Yes. Euro NZD going down. We didn't even draw this up. I seen it, but I was like, whatever.
Definitely missed that one.
Yeah. But this a range right here. I'm tired, boss.
I'm looking at GJ right now. The potential retrace on the 4-hour.
You said GJ?
Yeah, it broke it broke structure on the 4-hour, and it's got a momentum wick relative.
CBP Jappy?
Yeah.
Sorry, y'all. Somebody just knocked some stuff over and made a lot of noise. Hold on, I'll go to it. Let me draw this up. Mm-hmm. Structure. So drop, structure, test this price. And let's see, 15. Probably just take it below this dang structure, see how it look. Yeah, like if they continue down and you get here. No, I'm just saying if this gonna follow the Euro pass and they gonna do some kind of, because the Euro, they in lockdown in Europe too, right?
I'm not sure.
Excuse me. That candle looks funny, don't it? I need to stop drawing candles. Mm-hmm. And you said GJ, yeah?
GJ, yeah.
I actually see something. You said you saw a range on it. I'm gonna draw this up real quick. Hell yeah. I'll take it. Oh, I think I did it. Yes, I did. Should I use piece on one? Yeah, we'll use this one. All right, cool. All right. You said that right, Justin.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah, so what you saying may happen?
On GJ, there was a structure on the hourly.
Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. I didn't pull it up. My bad. Hold on.
No, but
GBP Jappy, right?
yeah.
I'm tripping. I was like, wait a minute. I just realized I'm on NZD. My bad. I was trying to draw it up and follow. Oh, dang, son. I see what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. It's so beautiful. Yeah, this one of them ones. I'm gonna draw both.
Yeah, there's a couple different structures on different time frames on there, so
Yeah, I'm trying to see. And it's you can actually draw this one too. I'll do that. Those 4 hours were clean though.
yeah.
Clean, clean, clean. It's like yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mm. Yes. I think I definitely think I would draw. I'm not gonna lie, I would probably draw 2 4-hour structures on here.
Yeah,
Or
yeah, that I have two as well because like my thinking in it was like back on December 22nd when it like broke out, it created a new structure like kind of using the previous top as the new bottom or whatever.
yeah. Let's see what I want to use. I'm trying to see. I'll do that here. And then I'll drag it and see something. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. And for that, I'll keep it in the family. I'll just do that because that accounts for that. It's a lot of purple going on, right? Yes. Yeah, like this is too. It's so perfect. I have to find another set of doubles on this. Let's see. Yes, I'll do that. Now adjust it later. I ain't gonna get too caught up. What am I drawing to? No. Oh, here we go. Okay. Exactly. I'll drag this one because this would definitely be like a reference
Mm-hmm.
at some point in time. So I'm gonna just do it like this just so I can. It'll remind me like what that I'm looking at. That it's the momentum. Momentum looks up. Yeah, it got a lot of up momentum. See that?
Yeah.
Trying to find something. Probably would have been better to do that for. Just trying to find a little reference point. Like we're gonna have to go pretty much here, right? And it's Now, then we'll have to find. Actually, hold on. I think I see something. Find this hour again. Yeah, I think I see something. Just bear with me. Just trying to find the spots. Oh yeah, nah, that's a lot of room. Let me go back to the 4 hour. All right, watch this. So, all right, I'm going to see. You know, kind of, because if it's gonna continue up, we want to have something to reference. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's why I'm doing this, and it's about the only thing. You know what I'm saying? That's shit. When was this? September, August? And look where they are.
They're right at it. Just about.
Actually, change this. So we know that's a tipping point. Word?
Yeah.
Oh man, I just had to pop my neck. That's why y'all see why I did that, right? For sure. Somebody said for sure. For sure. I'm sure there's a big ass area too, though. It is. For sure. It is. So probably. That's a lot of pips. Shit. Trying to see how you can catch something in here. So now that we know, oh yeah, I know what we can do. Shit. I'm overthinking. You know what we can do?
Okay.
Just fucking, because that's too big. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to
Yeah.
so big. We see that is a area, and we can just make this tipping point.
Okay.
Right? Now it makes more sense instead of having like, because now this went down to 12 pips instead of that whole 40 something pips. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. Yeah.
Because like it'll suck to be waiting 40 something pips. You know, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It'll just be like, nah, it's not good. So now you have a reference point. Want to, in other words, just put that tipping point right there, because they were there like months ago and didn't break past that. Yo, I'm here. I had to grab me a damn protein bar. Yeah, so on this, I mean, they did close with this, so they may come here. Actually, that wouldn't be a bad trade. You know, if they play this retrace.
Yeah. That's what initially caught my eye, but after you drew the tipping point, definitely gonna keep my eye on it even more.
Yeah, because it's the retrace. Here, look. Here, let me do. Yeah, it's a few. We got a few options. So few options. So really, you can catch it. Yeah, it may do that. It's 40 something. Well, let's continue breaking this shit down. Wow. I'm going to put the retrace for every time frame. So you can have, I mean, because this is only, well, it's 7 pips, but I mean, you can have a reference point. Now overlap this one. Show us the hourly too.
Right.
So now, if it comes past here, you can play that to the hourly, or you can play that to the daily.
Yeah.
And we can find a place. Because on the 4 hour, they already showed us that, but they whipsaw here. So let me go here. On the cool, you can enter from here or even here. Let me show. Right here or they like the exact same size. So like you can enter from here, which this will be your entry anyway, would be within this one, this tipping point right here. So I mean, if you want to catch as many as possible, you can catch it in this one.
Right.
See how they handle it, and if they looking retarded, you know, close out. No offense, that word, right? But if they doing anything crazy, you can close out, and then that way you can catch like all of that. I'm trying to do it so y'all can see all of that or all of that. You know, if the price show.
Right.
Like if on the 4 hour, right, you see like if on the 4 hour it looked like that, or even like that, you know, close enough to wherever which entry is, you can feel confident. You know what I'm saying? Not on the 15. I'm saying if the 4 hour look like that,
Mm-hmm.
then that's when you can start thinking. Because news is only news for, when does GBP have news? They only have news February the 4th. If they ranging for news, it wouldn't be foreign for them to bounce, play the retrace, and come back up until then, and then range and then break if that's what they plan to do. And this wick does say it a lot on the daily. this wick does say they could come back here, play around, and then go up. Yep. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I'm telling y'all that, you know what? Let me say the price. So look at about 141.66. Look in this area and find you a tipping point or whatever, and route to wherever you put your retrace at. I'm gonna we can all monitor it, but I'm gonna always tell y'all stay on top of it and learn how to trade according to how you feel. Well, I'm not gonna say feel, but your style.
Mhm.
You know, because it may get here, and you may say, "Oh, no, I don't like how it's looking." No, don't just overly depend on my perspective. I'm not saying that like I don't got your back. I'm saying it like, you know, you don't want to be like, "Oh no, I'm a hold," and they come back here, and then you close out, and then they end up coming down anyway, and now you lost some money. You know, so follow the rules, but you know, if you're not comfortable with something, don't force it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now that's still.
Yep.
Yeah.
I want to get me some water. Shit, y'all tell me what's up. Like, what else on y'all mind? The family at the dinner table right here. You dig?
Man, they start micromanaging us at work since we working from home now. Bruh, and we got new management, so she started bringing up all this stuff we got to fill out at the end of the day. These trackers, they doing all these reports on how many calls we've taken, how many calls we miss. It's just a lot now. And I'm like, yo, I gotta boss up on this trade and stuff, so I don't have to worry about that for too much longer.
Can you imagine the order where that's how things are on the normal, where they checking on every single aspect?
Yeah, man, my last job was like that when I was working at this call center. Like they checked on everything. You go to the bathroom for 10 minutes, they sending you a chat. I noticed you were away from your desk. What's going on? I'm going to the bathroom. You know what I mean? And now they're doing the same thing. So that left a terrible taste in my mouth. I'm like, yeah, I gotta get it. You know what I mean? I gotta boss up now.
Mm-hmm. It left the desire in you to get the hell out of that situation, huh?
Man, turned it up to the highest. It was already there. Now I'm like, okay, like now it's like I wanted to before, but now it's like, yeah, I need to do this, you know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And I think, I'm gonna be honest, I think it's only gonna get worse too, because business is starting to promote certain cultures too. and it's like either you agree with it or don't agree. Like things are getting too much power over how you move and what you think about. So now is a really good time to create your own life. Sure.
Exactly. And it's funny because that's like, you know, something that I always wanted to do, but it just seems so far fetched. You know what I mean? Just last year, I'm working a good job, and I'm like, yo, I'm a work my way up in the company and this and that. But now it's like, yo, like, you know, I could make the same, if not more money, you know, trading or, you know, starting my own thing. It's like I got to focus on that now, and it's more. I feel like it would be more. It is more rewarding.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm definitely trying to take that leap this year.
And then it's cool not having to. I mean, and then people, you know, you have to depend on, you know, and you know, to each their own. But you know, it depends on who you work for. You know, I'm just speaking real. It's like it's too many factors in there that just, you know what I mean, just get taken out of your control.
Yeah, you got to request time off. Like,
Mm-hmm.
it's just
Mm-hmm.
a lot.
It's very systemic. It's a whole system that it's kind of hard to maneuver to your needs. You know what I mean?
Right. But that's just what I've been thinking about recently. Just
Mm-hmm.
trying to get more focused, trying to get more dedicated. You know what I mean? Seeing how I can allocate my time better and really start taking this like very seriously.
Mm-hmm. And now it's at a point where you can, especially like when you was talking about the FTMOs.
Yeah.
It's at a point where you can without having to have 20 bands up front because some people don't have that laying around.
Yeah, exactly. You know, exactly. Like you get a funded account from whichever company out there. It's a couple of them
Mm-hmm.
I seen, and you know, after a couple months of being profitable and you know running your numbers to see what works best for you, like you could really, you know, make a change very quickly
Mm-hmm.
if you put
Mm-hmm.
that work in and you're willing to, you know, subject yourself to that.
That's what I'm saying. Like it was a time where that wasn't a thing.
Right.
So trade and people had to just only go with money and stuff like, you know, I'm sure Nemo might have told y'all his story. You know, people had to get out the mud.
Yeah.
Now it's like you got a dope, consistent strategy. You can borrow somebody else's money and make money off their money.
Man, that's other people's money.
Yep.
Ain't
Because
nothing better than that.
that's what they're doing. They don't. They got they using equity people. They using liquidity providers, and then and like they minimizing loss, using money that's not theirs, and they charging for you to do it. I mean, it's legit, but it's like they eating too, so why not? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's not like they're not even giving you money that they have on. It's money that they getting credited by somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Especially like you got to think, especially if, you know, you joining a company with like a higher profit split, you know, they
Mm-hmm.
got to be eating stupid if you getting over 50%, you know what I'm saying? They got to get their money somehow.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But, you know,
It's
that's
basically
definitely
free
important.
money.
Yeah, exactly.
It's free money. Oh, we were looking at this then. My, I didn't even take this trade. You see this? Am I sharing GBP?
Yeah.
I had wrote this up. I don't know. I might have did it with y'all too. We might have all been on it. Because I remember I left it. That's why I'm glad I leave my stuff. I put daily, touch the top or the bottom, zone, and just on a wig, tipping points. Yeah, see? And they came right back in the structure and then close in the zone. So that was a solid structure. So I didn't even get this. But look at that. But that was from back in November though. And we had all just started. Yeah, that's dope, man. Keep pushing forward. Have no fear. I'm all about freedom.
You know, this is the perfect year for me to do it. My girl, she actually just got deployed. They sending her out for a year, so it's like I got nothing but time.
Oh, you about to add the fool. Shout out to her. What's up? Where does she go to?
She going to Djibouti.
Mm.
She do air traffic control.
That's in Africa, right?
Yeah.
She going to be with Africa. That's what's up. Yeah, you'll be all ready for her when she come back. Like, baby, check out what I've been doing.
For real, yo, for real. I'm trying to really, you know what I mean, have her come back to some nice things.
You know what? I could do this. I'm not gonna complicate it. Hold on. We can do that. Word. Now you ain't got to worry about taking between two tipping points because we'll just keep it on the hourly. My joint. Where I put my lighter? I have a whole lighter in here. Hold on, y'all. I gotta find my lighter. Hey, let me know what's up, y'all. Y'all looking at some other shit?
I'm looking at GBP CAD right now.
GBP cap.
Yeah.
Y'all tell me these things. Don't get quiet on me. Don't hide it from me. Don't hide it from me. Oh shit, that was an hour right there. Yeah, I like this better. All right. What you see, my friend? My bad. I was trying to draw it up.
Well, on the 4 hour, there's a momentum wick.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. What in the fuck? Yo, it'll be dope. We all get to meet up and y'all be part of the forex, the market makers. Like the original thing, and we all meeting up, and you know what I'm saying, having
Yeah.
a little convention, man. That'll be pretty dope.
Yeah, that'll be dope.
We got to go out there where France is at. We're gonna have one in Britain too. Go and pick the spot.
Yeah.
You got to think it, man. That energy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
That's why I took this right here. Because they came, range, broke, came back in, range, fake break, back in, and they may be coming to play, like he said. Let me see. Yeah, and not to mention, let me go back to the daily. You still got the fact that that can happen. Which that lines up perfectly. Oh, wait a minute. I think that was more of a 4 hour. I got to fix that. That was a 4 hour too. No, man. Oh, y'all got booted out?
What's up?
No, like somebody got booted out.
Yeah, I got booted.
Yeah, homie. Pips. I like to find something on the hourly. So that's like too wide. Let me see. It's pretty dope, yeah. We can use this or something. How far back am I? Oh, here we go. Shit took forever. See that?
Yep.
I mean, it was some other stuff that could hold it up on the way back, but shit. Look at that. You can get at least 20 pips out of that retrace. And that's being overly cautious. Well, I ain't gonna say overly cautious. That's being cautious.
Right.
Gotta move. Who called it up? Was that you, Noe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you have in mind? I'm sorry, I know I get the drawing and shit.
Now you good. Well, honestly, I was just going through my pairs that I have on the side, and I just saw that it had the momentum wick on the 4 hour.
So you were wanting.
Yeah, and I had already had it charted up already because I think Lucy was going over it. So and then I saw that it was respecting the tipping points we had previously.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So. Yo, wait, outside. All right. Yeah, so if let me just call it like this is what we'll do. If we see it's coming down, like you see all those wicks on the 4 hour, and they're gonna play this retrace, put your entry. The reason I'm just gonna call it, but I already called trades from yesterday that's still open, and I don't want to over saturate the account with trades. So 73.46, if you see it's moving, 73. But this is one of those, I mean, they're all optional, but by optional, you know what I mean? Y'all don't, I'm not pushing the envelope because we still have 4 euro pairs we're waiting for. Now, I may put this in too, though.
That's actually where I was thinking of putting my sell stop too.
73.46.
Yeah, I have it. I had it at 7345.
Force is strong in you, Padawan.
I'm gonna put this one in.
I didn't leave. I'm looking for them. All right, fellas. Wait. All right. Oh. Yo, I'm back.
What up?
I got that.
Yeah.
And Jappy.
My USD Jappy just came back to.
You can play Jappy too. Jappy. Hold on. I'm gonna go to that. Hold on. Before I forget.
No, you good.
Jappy 141.62. But watch the price action. 141. You can say take profit 1 TP1 is 141.45. And TP2 is 141.38. Word.
Yep. Let me just write that down real quick.
Yeah, that's fine. And then that way y'all can keep them. Hold on, let me do this. Yeah, because it's at least 16, so it should be 16 to like 20 something here. Playing if they show that. Oh. What's this right here? What's this right? Hey, oh, God dang. Well, look at her.
Wow.
Exactly. And no, I wasn't making fun of nobody. I'm from Alabama. The game was yesterday. Roll Tide. You know what's funny? The 1 year I didn't watch the game. The last time they played in Miami like that, I want to say I think they had Notre Dame or Ohio State. I can't remember who it was, but I was living down that way. So it was like 2013 or 14. It was around the time when the Heat was winning a lot too. All right. So let's do this here. Retrace. Actually, I spy a reference. I'll do a lot. Let's see how that works out. And shit. Word. And now, so if it do the retrace, and show it's gonna come back in structure or whatever, you have a reference point, and you can have another one to see if they come here and maybe go back up, which could still look like a retrace on the daily, because if they break that, it could still, excuse me, oh, I'm sorry, it could still look like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Or however, you know, or a little bit higher, you know what I'm saying? Or it could still look like that. And them doing what I said can still happen. So, keep that in mind. And here's a, oh, let me stretch this out. How long is that? You can maybe play this right here. You know what I'm saying? I would keep these in mind too, though, but play that and see how they come. You know, if you see like a nice close, like here where I want that red, like, you know, you can take it and see what's up.
Right.
Oh, I got this. All right, I'm back. Anybody got any questions or anything?
No, no, everything is good.
No, it's just y'all quiet. I'm like, shit. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you want to be safe and not get to where they bounce here and come, let me change this color. I mean, you know, if you're really worried about it, not worried, but you're like, I don't want to see. I'll fix it. You can catch it down here too. You can maybe catch that too. Either or, but they range here. See here and here, so you may see like how they'll come here, stall out, and then the next candle may come here and they'll stall out, and then the next one they may come do whatever. You know how it go.
Right.
Y'all know what's up. Normally. And anybody got anything else they want help with or any thoughts?
Nah, I just like what I see, you know.
So you like what you see?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, that's what's up. Find this out.
And also sticking to the S&P too. So
Yeah, that's your thing now, right?
yeah, man, it's like I'm getting it. I was in some bad drawdown over the weekend, and then I was in some bad drawdown over the weekend, but then you know it went up and hit where I needed it. So
oh man, that's what's up.
yeah, it was like $21 drawdown. I was like, oh, okay, but it was.
Yeah, it was looking nasty, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it for sure.
Oh, I was watching the Codex, Money Codex videos that Nemo put up, and I forgot about all of that. Not forgot about it, but you know it's a lot.
What now?
The videos from the Money Codex. I'm like, whoa! It brought a lot back to my remembrance about like you know it's spoken about. Like,
You talking about what he was talking about?
yeah, with the taxes and everything and trading and all of that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, talking about the one he you talking about the new one or the old one?
Oh, the old one.
Okay,
Well,
the first.
it's kind of new.
Well, I'm saying he posted something today, and then he posted something when he asked us last time, and it was the one talking about the keeping more of your money and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one where he in Los Angeles. Yeah, I think so. The Market Maker shirt. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah. I was just trying to make sure because I was gonna say the one from today. I got to hit play on it. He sent one today.
Word, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm looking at some stocks too. I know we were talking about that before. Looking at Zoom or something, or something like that.
ZON?
Yeah, ZOM.
What was that?
I have no idea. I think it's Zora Medical or something like Medical.
ZOM or ZON?
ZOM, like
November.
yeah,
And is in
like
November.
M is in Michael.
Ah. You pulled it up on TradingView? I mean, yeah, on TradingView.
No, I don't have my thing up. I'm using my phone because my what's name is charging. So
Wait, what you said it was called again?
ZOM.
ZOM. The Medica Corp.
Yeah. Now I'm looking at it for like the stock.
Damn, this shit did do a little. Let me see, how much was the percentage of that, bro? Oh, so this is a penny stock.
Yeah, it's a penny stock, right?
Oh man, somebody could have ate off of that shit.
That's what I'm saying. I just saw it. My boy told me about it, and I was like, okay. It's now I think 113 or something like that. 34.
Some of the price, yeah, it's at $1.30.
Yeah, my bad. $1.30. $1.30.
Yeah. I know what you meant though. Yeah.
So I'm like, if it's gonna do like that, if something's coming up, we gotta put some bread. I remember you saying last week, like, or just I think the other day, put some bread into something. Let that joint build.
Yeah, that's dope. Look into that. Cause I mean, it may it may go it may go up. Y'all seen that flash crash video I shared, right? Wait, what you was saying?
Yeah. I saw that.
What flash video?
It was somebody, I want to say he was in Britain. It was in like 2010. I think it was 2010. 17-year-old dude. He was from his parents' house. He had some little bot set up that was doing pending orders, and it was making basically messing with the supply and demand in the system, and it was making it look like it was hotter than what it was, and or vice versa. And he ended up making hundreds of thousands of dollars like per hour, some shit like that. And the system crashed so hard and got so messed up that wasn't enough um, room to fill everybody's order. So some people ended up, they have this thing, I forgot the term, but if they can't fill your order, they'll put your order in. If it's not enough money or whatever to fill your order, they'll give it to you for a penny. So people were getting like Apple stocks and shit like that for a penny when it crashed, and getting all that for a penny a share. And they were getting all that back when it jumped back up. So imagine people who got in and rolled it all the way back up. You see what I'm saying?
That's wild.
Yeah, that's why I shared it, because I was like, man, if he can do that, and they let him go. They were questioning him. They let him go because he helped them. He basically helped them see the glitch in the system per report, and he helped them make other arrests. And it's like, if he can do that, imagine what they can really do. You know what I'm saying? And he did that using one of these bots that overloaded the system with pending orders. And then he canceled them like right before they got activated. So he was using the orders to push the market. He was market making in a way.
Wow.
Y'all should look into that, man. It's crazy because like I don't remember that either. I remember it happened, but I was so not in the stocks at that time. Like I was in the military and shit still. So I don't remember that being big enough for me to pay it attention. But that was a pretty big thing. Like it was a big thing in the trading world. Like the flash crash.
Yeah.
It went like they went crazy. Like everybody went crazy. But you know, the average Joe who wasn't tuned in had no idea that happened. So I'm just saying, imagine what they can really do. If this boy in the sense at the time, young man did that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
That's why I say I kind of believe, you have some people say, oh, there's no banker grabbing your money. It kind of further talk about what Nemo say, you know what I mean? And how we see news line up and all this bullshit, government shit and all this protest shit or whatever shit going on in our face at the time, right? And on from any aspect, I'm just saying the drama period, like move the markets. And yeah, there may be people selling off, but who's to say they not doing that on purpose and then snatching it right back up and taking, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because it's a quick way to grab resources. Same way they did in the housing market crash. Remember the one, what was it, 2008, 2007 or some shit?
Yep.
It was people making $75,000 an hour. I can't remember. I saw that when I was in school, right? I don't want to talk too much. I'm just telling you. And if I can find a video, I'll give it to you. I was in college and I had to do a report on. I think I was in economics, and I was still an adult, so I peeped game. I was like tuned in, and that exchange happened so bad that people they were reselling the same contract on the house multiple times. So it was multiple times. So it was like people making money off the same house. It was multiple people making money off the same house, selling like whatever they did. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the exact process because I'm not into that, but it was kind of like the same thing where they was making money out of thin air. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Creating debt. They were just passing debt along and making money off of that debt and letting somebody else buy the contract, you know, buy it off of their hands and then reselling it while the person's still in debt. So it didn't have been paid for and bought multiple times, and everybody else made money off of it, but the people who were on the lower end, which was us citizens. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I hope I'm describing it right, but that was in a nutshell pretty much what happened. Like I don't want to, turn this into a thing, but I think that's tied into what we do. You know what I'm saying? So that's
Definitely.
why I mentioned that. Huh?
No, I said definitely, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then this COVID shit and just, I mean, obviously it'll shut stuff down, but who's to say, you know what I mean? You just never know, you know, you just never know. It's just now you can know and get some resources or some kind of money off of it, you know, versus being on the other end where you like, oh, this is happening. Well, yeah, it's happening, but be on the right side of it too. Until they over regulate something, which you know those things are happening. So we'll just eat, keep doing what we do. Yeah, y'all got anything else y'all want to look at?
Nope, I'm good.
Let's go do
We're
something
good.
like that. You said what, fam?
No, we're good. I'm good.
We came back to
And
the
not at
house.
the moment. Just checking everything out. Just gonna watch the trades I got open.
Word. Oh, I didn't even talk about this retrace. It's one on GBP Swiss too. And they coming back. It's to a point to where they can come back in the structure. So at least one I had on the hour over here. So yeah, check it out, man. And Uh-oh.